Every milestone is built on leadership that sees beyond the present. And as we celebrate the 40th year milestone this evening, it will only be fitting to hear from someone who has guided, nurtured, and shaped this journey in a profound way. Pushpa will come onto the stage to deliver this evening's address. And I can't stop myself from saying, Pushpa ankunte fire, flower ankuntiva, kaado, fire. Literally, Pushpa is a fire. Please welcome on stage the director of Sadhguru, who leads the healthcare and life sciences advisory practice, a fierce champion of Sadhguru's client-centric culture. She's a CA and MBA from the University of Michigan, a registered technology transfer practitioner, and a Danida Fellow in Innovation Management. Pushpa also serves on the governance board of UN-backed Medicines Patent Pool, a key global anchor in enabling access to innovative drugs in low and middle income countries. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Pushpa Vijayaraghavan.
Thank you, Prashant. I'm not going to start with what I wanted to start with because Prashant mentioned University of Michigan. Go Blue to my friends here who are here to cheer. Prashant mentioned CA. Go Blue to, there is no Go Blue there. Whatever, go yellow to my friends here to cheer. Before I begin, I'd like to personally thank Deepika Reddy. Yeah. I can't think of a more graceful way to celebrate this milestone and a more eloquent way to tell our story. Thank you very much for accepting this request to perform. We appreciate it. It's a long journey, and this is memorable. 40 years, from 1985 to 2025. What a rewarding journey so far. Organic growth, one brick on another, supported by a very strong foundation. And I think I've told several of you during our chats today that me and my peers have it easy. Because in this business, the foundation is the hardest to lay. Those bricks are tough ones to put, and after a point, there are escalators that help you ride up faster. So I'm on the escalator, not the one that Trump rides, but an escalator for sure. For those of you who are acquainted with one part of Sadhguru and not all, I just wanted to start by giving you a glimpse of the breadth we've nurtured over the last 40 years. If you know me, you possibly know of our market-leading advisory practice. We're known for our unique convergence of industry advisory, cross-strategy, operations, investment banking, technology, transfer, and innovation, a very unique component of what we do, executive education and development. Beyond advisory, there are several of you here who've experienced the power of digital transformation and have worked with our software products group, Sadhguru Soft. It's one that is there to build products while peers were engaged in services. And I know several of you here have benefited from the prudent advice of KVA, our affiliate audit assurance tax advisory firm. And then finally, the baby in the house, Sadhguru Catalyzers. I'll be talking more about it. And I will continue to refer to it as the baby in the house. So to my peers from the fund, you'll have to bear with me. So as I was thinking about what to talk today, memories came gushing down. 10 years ago, and I know several of you joined us then for our 30th anniversary celebration, it was a beautiful evening. As I think of the decade in between, the 10 years that have gone by, the only constant has been uncertainty and turbulence. It's been a decade like none other. And the last 5 years have compounded that turbulence multifold. Right? We were hit by COVID. Geopolitics in the recent past has been nothing like what it was before. Right? And that compounds possibilities of global business, global trade. Technology evolutions of a magnitude we've never imagined. The potential we don't understand, the risks we don't fathom. And in the middle of it all, we want to usher in an era that's more sustainable while we battle these complexities. But you all know us well. We thrive in challenges, and so the last decade's been fun. It's been fun, we've grown. We've grown while helping you grow. We've grown while powering forward your successes and your milestones. And it's been with clients we worked with for 3 decades. It's been with global leaders like DuPont and Lubrizol, Corteva, and Indian multinationals that are now establishing themselves or have established themselves as brute forces in the global order of tomorrow. And while we continue to be a dependable anchor for our corporate clients, we've not lost sight of the power of our intellectual capability in driving development. And the opportunities over the last decade have again been truly unique. Opportunity to be involved in shaping the value chains of tomorrow, be it in pharmaceuticals, be it in agriculture, food, ensuring food security, health security along the way, but re-scripting what the current order looks like and helping clients again navigate a new order from an industry value chain perspective globally. Biotransformation, again, has taken us beyond life sciences into areas as distant as paints and pigments and fragrances, ethanol, because the opportunity to green our value chains with biotech is truly immense and unique, and we're uniquely positioned to drive that in an accelerated way for our clients and to help them make pragmatic leaps that ride this tide. And while we do that, we've also been extensively focused on transforming how we work in our advisory practice. AI-enabled workflows are now a reality, but still with our experts whom you love as the drivers in the center, as the stewards in the center, not forgetting the responsibility we hold in the trust you place in us. And while we continue to deepen what we've done so far, areas like sustainability and digitization, where our depth is relatively lesser, continue to be areas where finding unique opportunities to have an impact, and will continue to do so with you. I'm going to steer here to reflect on my peers from the Audit, Assurance, Advisory, Tax Practice, KVA. While today is the 40th anniversary for Sadhguru, this year is also the 40th anniversary for KVA, our affiliate Audit, Assurance, Advisory firm. KVA is an active member of DFK International, one of the top 4 global associations of independent accounting firms, spread across 90 countries with 430 offices. What I take pride in is not just how we've leveraged that global network to create value for clients, but how we've contributed to that global network as torchbearers of knowledge, with our peers serving as parts of several global committees within the DFK network. Big shout out there for Raghu and Ketna, who've been very active. I do take pride in that in the last decade, KVA accomplished the big feat of being recognized as the best firm within the DFK network. That was in 2020. But what gives me far greater pride is the talent ecosystem that the firm has nurtured. An ecosystem which makes us a preferred place for young professionals to learn and grow, where it is growth and knowledge creation by design and not as an afterthought. And I'm sure by 2030, KVA will stand as a firm that's known for the enduring client partnerships, of course, but the fearless problem-solving attitude that's not very common in assurance firms, a very high level of globally integrated service delivery, but deeply locally rooted intelligence. I keep talking about digital transformation, and that power, that engine in the Sadhguru family sits in Sadhguru Soft, now subsidiarized as Sadhguru Software Products. It's a pure play software products group. Had the audacity to walk down the path to develop products while peers were engaged in service delivery. Proudly owns, with 3 decades of development effort, 9 AI-driven SaaS products, 3 deep industry ERP suites, 1 general manufacturing ERP suite, and 5 new age products, all designed to run independently, yet power one core connected enterprise ecosystem together. A legacy of 30 years with products powering tomorrow. As I look at the next decade, we're definitely charting the next phase of value creation and global impact, with Sadhguru Soft establishing itself as a global partner-led self-service delivery model with a sustainable scale focus across continents. And again, advancing forward towards the vision of being recognized not only for fostering automation, but for enabling intelligent autonomy that enterprises trust and cherish. I'm going to go to the baby in the house now, Sadhguru Catalyzers. I might call it the baby in the house and the newest initiative, but when I pretty much grew up with Sadhguru, and when I look back, I think back in the 90s, this is a firm that was born out of passion when Raghu, Hema, and Vijay founded a firm where their goal was to enable entrepreneurs to create value. So it was not uncommon to take sweat equity back in the 90s and thus participate in the value created along the way. Sadhguru Catalyzers today is a formal SEBI-registered Category 2 AIF, building on that same legacy and that history of value creation. It addresses the continuing gaping hole in intelligent and engaged capital that can power Indian innovation into global value realization. It's a small team, we're a quiet fund, we don't make a lot of noise, but I'm sure over the next decade, the impact will talk for itself. The value creation will talk for itself. It is powered by a team which has tremendous experience, pragmatic understanding of risks and opportunities. And I also take pride that our LPs include several industry titans who've navigated these shifts themselves. And for our investee companies in the room, a big shout out to you. If any of you all meet Venu Polineni here, is charting the first set of Indian biopesticides to global market, give him a high five. If you meet Arpit Paliwal in the room, and I know they both are here, give him a high five too. We're transforming how surgeries are performed in India in urology with very intelligent Indian-originated surgical navigation solutions. And for the investors in our fund who are here in the room today, thank you for the trust you've placed in us. And I can't wait to see the impact of the next decade. In all of this breadth that I take so much pride in, and this foundation that gives me the confidence to dream, this all rests simply on the strength of our culture, one that takes time to build, that stands the test of time, and embodies who we are. It's not been uncommon in meetings where the team from our side has been 3 women, often short, but very impressionable, very smart. And the other side being, 3 tall men in black suits. We hold our own, and we make sure our men are happy as well. We actually make conscious effort to hire men, and it's not a bad problem to have. And we've been celebrating Men's Day and Women's Day with equal rigor, and not recently, that's been true for a while. So an equitable workplace where all lines of gender and any other lines of difference are non-issues. We're really powered forward by a collective intent to create value and intellectual curiosity that drives us all, but a sincerity to really engage in a meaningful way is what binds us together. And it's a family that stands together through the good and the bad, and in times of turbulence, that's the culture that stands us in good stead. We also engage in the same passion beyond work in several areas of impact that gives us all a strong sense of gratitude. 2 of our CSR arms, Sankalp, it's been for a long period of time supporting education of girl children. The Cornell Sadhguru Foundation for Development, very meaningful impact on farmer livelihoods, the way Indian farmers cultivate and provide food in the baskets, but themselves have sustainable incomes and sustainable lives, are both areas that our colleagues and several of you who support us engage in just the same amount of passion as we do in our professional pursuits. As I look ahead, I realize that the turbulence that I started my talk with reflecting on is not going away. If anything, I think we've got to brace, have our seatbelts on, and just enjoy the ride because it's here to stay. The world is going to change at a faster pace than we've ever imagined. Uncertainty is going to be higher. And that gives us the confidence that our future is bright because the human intelligence and pragmatic yet forward-looking perspective that we bring to the table with you is going to be truly valuable. We promise you that we will charge ahead, being true to our core of agility, remaining agile to adapt. We'll continue to adapt as the world evolves, but making sure our core tenets are the same: grace, humility, intellectual pursuits, and an absolute stubbornness about ethics and integrity and client centricity. Now, we're in a unique position today in this country. India is uniquely paced in the global stage, and I'm sure we'll charge ahead collectively together. What's also exciting is that innovation is going to be a far greater multiplier of possibilities in the future. And again, every group in Sadhguru is so uniquely placed to support you since we've been champions of innovation for the last 4 decades. As excited as I am looking ahead, I have great sense of gratitude for the foundation, and this wouldn't be true without the support from all of you and the opportunities you've given to us to contribute. I want to pause by saying we truly appreciate the opportunity to have collaborated with each of you, and we promise to do the same over the next decade as we charge ahead, create a very unique Indian enterprise on the global stage, powered by the support, collaboration, and the possibilities that we create and pursue together. Thank you so much. We appreciate you joining us. We look forward to the next decade together and the next 5 decades together. Thank you. Enjoy your evenings. I'm going to see if Prashant is around.
Here.
I'm happy to continue, Prashant, but I don't want to, jobs are precious in today's world. I don't want to take yours.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for keeping mine. This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Pushpa. I heard innovation, execution, impact, and a lot of other terms which Sadhguru has stood for. So thank you so much for giving an insight about what's gone in all these years and plus what's due to come. Really, really appreciate that. Wonderful. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
And wishing Sadhguru a brilliant few years ahead.